Hi guys, in this videos I will show you how to fix WhatsApp home screen or WhatsApp status now showing. First solution. Let's go menu. Let's go WhatsApp. Select options status. Click here. Let's go click here and select settings options. Let's go check options and select check backhook. Select backhook and let's go menu. Second solution. Let's go on settings. Select settings and let's go access option. With please select WhatsApp. Select options, permission, enable all options, third solution. Let's go on menu. Let's go on settings. Select apps. Let's go WhatsApp. Select option storage, clear data and clear cache. Fourth solution. Let's go on menu. Select Play Store. Click here. Select My Apps and Games. Search